we come at the elevator at the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in Cleveland, Ohio. Did you say it must be?
It's a Schindler, but it looks like it used to be an Otis because it has this Otis indicator in there. And look, the lantern's on the side.
Wow.
That's an Otis lantern.
Otis lantern?
These appear to be atoms.
Really? I like them though, they're nice. Motor. Wow. It's very nice here.
That's pretty interesting.
I like this elevator.
And look what's on this side. Oh, look at that.
Staircases at all.
Yeah.
I hate them. But it's unless you like that.
This is a different elevator than before.
Where's the gift shop? It's on
Level 1.
Okay.
You can hear the motor.
Saw a shirt, but I was so beauty, it kind of piqued my interest.
And then we do have to be back after.
This is interesting, isn't it?
Wow. What's this one here?
We're getting
See
dinner
here.
for free. Again.
Look at
That's a
this.
special wish.
This time.
I don't know, it's called Pan
This
Asian
is,
Balance, Pan Asian Grill.
So it's got an Otis
They have
indicator.
like Asian
I think
tacos.
it might have a Schindler chime.
Make a
It
wish.
does.
Special wish.
Ding.
This looks like the same one as
They
the
have
other one,
Yeah,
isn't it?
look at
extra
this.
stuff.
Oh, it's got 2 of these. So I think these are Adams buttons. Yeah, the key switches are Adams.
Cool.
Yeah, that's a Schindler door track though.
Nice buttons. I like those. Nice ledger also.